In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Meeting Rooms. If you're managing a team or a company that relies on virtual meetings, understanding how to efficiently use Zoho Meeting Rooms can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to open your Zoho Mail account. Make sure you're logged in with the credentials associated with your organization's Zoho account. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the option labeled All Zoho Apps. This is a centralized hub for all the Zoho services you need, and it's your gateway to accessing Zoho Meeting. With Zoho's vast array of tools at your fingertips, locate and click on Meeting in the Apps list. This action takes you straight into the Zoho Meeting interface. This is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side, look for the Rooms option. Go ahead and click on it. The Rooms feature allows you to manage and optimize your meeting spaces effortlessly. Next, you'll see an Add Room button. Clicking this initiates the process of actually setting up your new meeting room. You'll need to provide some essential information, starting with a room name. Choose something distinctive yet clear, making it easy for your team to identify and access. Follow this up by inputting a room description. This is your chance to specify the room's purpose or include any particular notes related to its use. After you've filled in these details, hit the Save button. This step commits all your input data and makes your new meeting room available for use. Now, locating your newly created meeting room is as simple as finding and clicking on its name in your rooms list. When accessing the meeting you've just set up, focus on the activation key. This key is crucial. It ensures that only authorized users can activate and use this room. It's a security measure that protects your meetings from unauthorized access. Equally important is the meeting password. Setting a strong password adds another layer of security, ensuring that even with the activation key, only participants with the correct password can enter. Be sure to communicate this password securely to your intended participants. And finally, there's the Scan to Activate feature. This facilitates quick access to your meeting room by allowing users to scan a QR code, streamlining the entry process, especially for those on the move. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up a Zoho meeting room effectively. Remember, efficient use of this tool can enhance collaboration, make remote meetings seamless, and ultimately boost productivity within your team. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.